all of this, ends up causing some support issues at times with consumers at homes. Their networks are strained by the number of devices, by the use of their broadband services. And tell us how you think broadband operators are responding to this. Are they seeing this as a huge opportunity to capitalize on and build out additional value-added services to offer consumers, or are they more hesitant just due to the nature of the shifting world? There's so many changes at once. It's almost hard to keep up with everything going on.
Yeah, actually, we asked people if they upgraded their broadband service during the pandemic. 51% said they actually upgraded their broadband subscription during the pandemic, and that number was 70% in US versus just 35% in Germany. So we could see actually Americans did really upgrade their service, which was an opportunity for the service providers. And of those who have upgraded are now paying anywhere between 5 to 10 euro, pound, or US dollar per month for their service. We could also see willingness to upgrade for better Wi-Fi. 58% indicated they would upgrade to a higher tier of broadband service if it included a premium Wi-Fi system that guaranteed faster and more consistent Wi-Fi in every room. And this number was consistent across all three countries. But for us, really, first, major learning, we could see there is a strong demand from consumers to include Wi-Fi, smart Wi-Fi in the broadband offer. About 80% would prefer ISP to provide Wi-Fi gear over purchasing through retail. And 54% of the respondents said they actually bought Wi-Fi gear through retail at some point. And Americans was actually lower in that sense compared to, as I mentioned, Germany. But these people who actually bought gear from retail, they still call their ISP to complain when there is a Wi-Fi or broadband problem. The other thing was the second strong outcome was to see demand for bundling whole home Wi-Fi with top-tier broadband package. 86% of on average in all these three countries told us they would consider top-tier broadband package that it should come with a whole home Wi-Fi service. And that number was a massive 92% for Americans. So people are really demanding whole home Wi-Fi to be bundled with the broadband package.